Today I'm showing you how to buy Fartcoin on Coinbase. The first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have a Coinbase account. And then afterwards, ensure that your identity is verified, as it can literally block you from buying cryptocurrencies on this website. Then what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have a payment method, as you're going to have to put money into your Coinbase account. As you can see here, I have $34.64. How to add your payment method is down here where it says pay with. Go ahead and click that. Here it's going to give you some options, and what you're going to want to do is hit add payment method and choose any one of these to put money into this. The way you put money is you use whatever payment method you have to put money either into cash or USDC. They both basically operate the same way. Most of my money is in USDC, so that's what I'm going to be using for this tutorial. What we're going to want to do now is, after you have money, it should pop up over here in the home page, is go up to the top right and hit search. Here you're going to want to type in the coin that you want. So for in this case, it's Fartcoin. And then it should be one of the highest ones. So as you can see here, literally says Fartcoin. Go ahead and click that. And you can see the entire chart for this coin. Then as you can see here, it's not tradable on Coinbase itself. You're going to have to get it on Coinbase wallet. But the process is the exact same as any other. So really quickly, I'm just going to click a different one that is on Coinbase and show you the process. You type in the amount that you want in USD. You select the payment method, which in this case would be USDC, and then you'd buy it. You just hit review order, then hit buy now, and then it'll go through. If this helped you out, consider subscribing.